You've finally published. The boxes of books have arrived, and you've shared the news online. But as the hours pass, the phone stays silent. There is not a single notification and no clear plan for what happens tomorrow morning. In the publishing industry, the first 90 days are decisive. This 3-month window determines whether a book gains enough momentum to stay on the shelves or if it begins to fade out of the market entirely. Many authors treat their book as the final destination, a finished product to be handed out like a business card. But a book is more effectively used as an engine. It is a source of raw material that needs to be actively processed to generate business leads. The challenge isn't just finishing the manuscript, it's building a system that keeps the book relevant before that 90-day window closes. 류지연 is a business process designer focusing on this specific gap. She works with authors to move past the silence of the post-publication phase. Her framework uses 3 specific AI-driven tools to convert a single manuscript into a series of automated marketing workflows. To capitalize on the launch window, an author needs to move from writing a story to managing an automated content pipeline. The first tool is Notebook LM. It is a specialized AI research assistant that allows you to upload documents to create a private, interactive knowledge base. By uploading your manuscript, the AI identifies core arguments, breaking a single file into 100 distinct pieces of promotional material. You can query the AI to instantly extract themes for presentations, effectively using your writing as a PR manager. Once those ideas are extracted, they move to the second tool, Google Docs. Using integrated AI, these raw excerpts are formatted into polished deliverables. A rough idea from the manuscript is drafted into a blog post or reorganized into a formal proposal for a speaking engagement. This workflow removes the manual labor of content creation, turning the static pages of a book into a continuous stream of marketing assets. Publishing content only works if you can track the people who engage with it. Without a capture system, all that visibility is lost the moment a reader closes their browser. Google Forms acts as the bridge. It provides a single point of entry, moving readers from social platforms directly into the author's database. Whether it's a sign-up for a newsletter, a lecture registration, or a book review, every interaction is automatically routed into a structured database. This eliminates manual data entry. The system builds a list of contacts in the background, while the author focuses on their professional work. By building this infrastructure, you move from attracting temporary attention to establishing a measurable audience of readers you can contact directly. This split screen shows the shift over 8 weeks of implementation. We start with an empty schedule and end with a calendar populated by consistent marketing. The goal is to produce 6 published articles, 3 sent lecture proposals, and 1 confirmed speaking event. The coaching program at Canyan focuses on establishing a standalone routine. By the end of the 8 weeks, the author has the technical setup to manage this entire process independently. This process shifts the author from a state of post-launch uncertainty to a position where they have a predictable pipeline for their business. To ensure direct support during the implementation, this one-on-one coaching is limited to only 2 authors per month. If you've released a book and are looking for a systematic way to build your audience, you can apply for the mentorship with 류지연 today. Your book is already written. Now it's time to build the system that makes it work.